In this training video, I will show you how to set up a new account with Keeper Security. One of the biggest challenges to becoming your own bank is managing security, saving and protecting your passwords, keeping your seed phrases and backup codes organized, and managing your two-factor authenticator. I recommend Keeper Security because of its advanced encryption and because it has 2FA built into the app. Where is your 2FA now? Most people use a Google or Microsoft authenticator. But what happens if you lose your phone, or if your phone is stolen? Are you sure everything is backed up? What about your seed phrases and backup codes? Where are they all stored? The longer you are in the world of decentralized finance, the more codes you will have to keep track of. Nobody wants to talk about the boring stuff like security, passwords, backup codes, seed phrases, and 2FA. But if you start by setting up a security plan, you are building your house on a strong foundation. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to keepersecurity.com. You do not need a special link. Step 2. Click on the Try It Free button located at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Choose the type of account you want to create, personal or business. For the purpose of this guide, we will choose personal. Step 4. Enter your email address and click Try It Free. Step 4. It will take you to a screen and your email address should self-populate. If it does not automatically populate, re-enter and hit Next. Step 5. Enter a secure password. Your password is going to be your master key, and it is important that you keep your master key password in a safe and secure location. It should be at least 12 characters. This is the only password you will need to remember. Step 6. Click Accept Keeper's Terms of Use and hit Next. Step 7. You will then be sent an email with a verification code. Copy the code in the email. Paste the verification code that was sent to your email and then hit Verify. Step 8. Once your email is verified, you will be taken to the dashboard. Step 9. On the dashboard, you can start setting up your Keeper account by adding current passwords, generating new secure passwords, and organizing them in folders. Step 10. You can follow the prompts to set up Keeper or skip and do later. In the next training video, I will show you how to set up a record and how to use Keeper's 2FA feature.